Why does your scanner show the P2062 engine code? What does it mean? P2062 is a diagnostic trouble code for Reductant Supply Control Circuit, or OPEN. This error code indicates it means your vehicle's engine computer, ECM or PCM, has detected a power interruption, breakage, or open circuit in the electrical line that powers the DEF injector pump, or the DEF supply module. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged wiring, blown fuses, corroded connectors, failed pump motor, faulty PCM or ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like BMW and Volkswagen models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.